Hello, dear students. If you want to learn English or want to communicate others, this lecture is designed to teach you how to ask questions and how to answer them correctly in airport. Let's start it. Good morning. May I know your name?
Good morning. Yes, my name is John.
How can I help you, John?
I would like to check in for my flight, please.
May I see your ticket?
Yes, of course. Here is my ticket for today's flight.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, I do. My passport is right here with me.
Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to Dubai today for a short trip.
Do you have any checked bags?
Yes, I have one large suitcase that needs to be checked in.
Do you have any hand luggage?
Yes, I have a small backpack that I will carry with me.
Did you pack your bags yourself?
Yes, I packed all my bags by myself at home.
Are you carrying any liquids?
No, I'm not carrying any liquids in my bags.
Do you have any sharp items?
No, I don't have any sharp items with me.
Do you prefer a window seat?
Yes, I prefer a window seat because I like the view.
Would you like an aisle seat?
No, thank you. A window seat works better for me.
Do you want a seat near the front?
Yes, if possible, I would like a seat closer to the front.
Do you need special assistance?
No, I don't need any special assistance right now.
Do you want a baggage tag?
Yes, please. I would like a baggage tag for my suitcase.
Have you paid for extra luggage?
Yes, I paid for extra luggage online before coming here.
Is this your final destination?
Yes, this place is my final destination for this trip.
Do you need a boarding pass printout?
Yes, I would appreciate it if you could print it for me.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I'm traveling alone on this trip.
Are you traveling with family?
No, I'm not traveling with family this time.
How many bags do you have?
I have 2 bags with me, one big and one small.
Do you need a trolley?
No, I don't need a trolley because I can manage my bags.
What is your flight number?
My flight number is EK603 for today.
What time is your flight?
My flight is scheduled to depart at 4 p.m.
How long is your stay?
My stay will be for 1 week, just a short visit.
What is your purpose of travel?
My purpose of travel is tourism and a short break.
Where will you stay?
I will stay at a hotel in the city during my visit.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I already have my return ticket booked.
May I see your visa?
Yes, here is my visa attached to my passport.
Do you have travel insurance?
Yes, I have travel insurance for this entire trip.
Are you carrying any food?
No, I'm not carrying any food items in my bags.
Are you carrying electronics?
Yes, I have my laptop and phone with me.
Can you open your bag?
Yes, of course. I'll open it for inspection.
Can you remove your laptop?
Yes, I can take my laptop out right now.
Please remove your shoes.
All right, I'll remove my shoes for the screening.
Please empty your pockets.
Sure, I will empty my pockets completely.
Do you have a power bank?
Yes, I have one power bank in my hand luggage.
Is your power bank under 100 watt?
Yes, my power bank is under 100 WH and allowed.
Can I see your ID?
Yes, here is my ID for verification.
Are you carrying any cash?
Yes, I have a small amount of cash with me.
Do you need a customs form?
No, I don't think I need a customs form.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I don't have anything to declare here.
Are you carrying gifts?
Yes, I'm carrying a few small gifts for relatives.
Are these gifts wrapped?
No, the gifts are not wrapped yet.
Do you need help filling the form?
Yes, I would appreciate some help with the form.
What seat did you choose?
I chose a window seat because it's comfortable.
Do you know your gate number?
No, I don't know my gate number yet.
Would you like help finding your gate?
Yes, please. I would appreciate some directions. How far is the gate?
The gate is about 5 minutes from here.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, the flight is on time according to the schedule.
Is the flight delayed?
No, the flight has not been delayed at all.
When will boarding start?
Boarding will start in about 20 minutes.
Can I use the lounge?
Yes, you can use the lounge with your ticket.
Where is the lounge?
The lounge is located upstairs near the elevators.
Where is the restroom?
The restroom is on your left, very close by.
Where is the cafe?
The cafe is right behind you in the main hall.
Where can I buy water?
You can buy water at the kiosk ahead.
Can I charge my phone here?
Yes, you can charge your phone at the station.
Can I change my seat?
Yes, you can change your seat if one is available.
Can I upgrade my ticket?
Yes, you can upgrade your ticket for an extra fee.
Where can I exchange money?
You can exchange money at the counter ahead.
Where can I get a SIM card?
You can get a SIM card at the telecom shop.
Can I carry this bottle?
No, you can't carry that bottle through security.
Is this the right line?
Yes, this is the correct line for your flight. Do you need a wheelchair?
No, I don't need a wheelchair at the moment.
Do you want priority boarding?
No, regular boarding is fine for me. Can I board now?
No, boarding hasn't started yet for passengers.
Is this flight full?
Yes, this flight is completely full today.
Is the seat next to me free?
No, the seat next to you is already taken.
How long is the flight?
The flight will take around 2 hours today.
Is this the boarding gate?
Yes, this is the correct boarding gate for you.
Do I need to show my passport again?
Yes, you must show your passport once again.
Can I take this bag on board?
Yes, you can take that bag on board with you.
Is there overhead space?
Yes, there is enough overhead space available.
Can I sit here?
Yes, that seat is assigned to you.
Can I switch seats?
No, switching seats is not possible right now.
Can you help with my bag?
Yes, I can help you lift your bag.
Is there Wi-Fi on this flight?
Yes, this flight offers Wi-Fi for passengers.
Can I use my phone?
Yes, you can use your phone in airplane mode. Do you want water?
Yes, I would like a glass of water.
Do you want a blanket?
Yes, I would like a blanket to stay warm.
Meal preference?
I would like a vegetarian meal for the flight.
Do you want headphones?
Yes, please give me a pair of headphones. Can I recline the seat?
Yes, you can recline your seat gently.
When will we land?
We will land in about 1 hour.
Can I use the washroom?
Yes, you can use the washroom anytime now.
Can I fill this form later?
Yes, you can complete the form later on.
Is this my luggage?
Yes, that suitcase belongs to you.
Where's the exit?
The exit is straight ahead from here.
Where is the taxi stand?
The taxi stand is outside the main gate.
Where can I get my Uber?
You can get your Uber at the pickup zone.
Where is immigration?
Immigration is to your right after the hallway.
How long is the queue?
The queue is about 10 minutes long.
Do I need to scan my passport?
Yes, you must scan your passport at the machine.
Can I keep this slip?
Yes, you should keep that slip with you.
Where is baggage claim?
Baggage claim is downstairs near the exit area.
What if my bag is lost?
If your bag is lost, report it at the counter.
Can I get a trolley here?
Yes, you can find trolleys near the door.
Do I need a customs check?
Yes, you need to follow the customs line.
Can I leave the airport now?
Yes, you have completed everything and can leave now.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe and comfortable trip.